Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to remove access in Google Docs. So let's dive into it. On your Chrome browser, open the Google Docs for which you want to remove access. In Google Doc, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the page. A pop-up screen will open with different options. In the Share with People and Groups window, find the person or people you want to remove access for. Click on the drop-down menu next to the person's name. In the drop-down menu, click on the Remove Access button to remove them from the list of people with access. Click on Save Changes to apply the changes. By these steps, that person will be removed from the Access panel. This person will no longer have the access to that specific Google Docs. And that's how you can remove access in Google Docs. It's a simple way to control who can view and edit your documents. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.